All right, everybody, here we go. If you're looking for wedding dresses, downtown LA, I'm telling you, this is the fashion district. $3.99. Sunglasses.
No spice?
There's your hats. Here's for to my friend Gabe. The LA Dodgers right there, a lot of hats. If you guys are interested, let me know. Do you have the Raiders hats?
No,
No Raiders?
no, right. Not teams, it's only series.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the team is more expensive, 35 for the
Oh, wow. How much are these hats?
I have different prices, the 3 for 10, 2 for 10.
3 for 10 right there?
Yeah, the inside 3 for $10.
Oh, wow. And this is 2.
It's 2, this is fitted. That one comes for sizes.
Oh, okay. You fit it? Small, large, okay.
Small, medium, and large, and stuff. I have
Yeah.
a snap inside, 3 for $20, so 1 for $8.
3 for 20.
Yeah, this is a snap.
Oh, nice. Look at that. LA Dodgers. That's LA Lakers right here. How much is this?
1 for 8 or 3 for 20.
1 for 8 or 3 for 20, guys. There you go. What you think? Tell me. Leave a comment. All right, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
These are ladies' pants, skirts. $9.99. There you go for the modest ladies.